Hey YouTube, how you guys doing? Today I'm going to be working on this clock for my travel trailer and this transfer graphics kit. I'm going to be doing shitters full. I'm not sure how it's going to turn out, but I'm going to be designing something for this kit and hopefully a gas gauge with a poopy emoji and of course shitters full. I'll then transfer it onto this clock. So hang tight and I'll go ahead and design it and see, hopefully I come up something creative. Here it is. That's my design. Shitter's full. So I'm gonna go ahead and print this out and I'll print a couple of test pages to make sure it's the proper size. Okay, this is the clock. Remove the screws to gain access to it. Took it off the clock case and also removed the hands and take a look at that. I just need to reduce that one just by a tad bit. I know it's not colored yet, don't want to waste ink, but I think I'm on the right track. Here it is. Take a look at that. Love it. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and put back the hands and repackage this bad boy. Here it is, Shitter's full clock. Just a quick arts and craft project. You can't find anything like it. It's one of a kind, but of course the saying Shitter's full. It's been around for a long time, but there you go. I'm gonna be hanging this inside the trailer. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to click subscribe and click that notification bell. So bye for now. Thanks again. Talk to you guys later. Peace.